Raytheon Technologies has unveiled Raiven, a revolutionary electro-optical intelligence sensing capability, which will enable pilots to have faster and more precise threat identification. The new threat identification system can identify multiple objects optically and spectrally at once in real time. A single electro-optical or infrared system has never been able to do this before. Raiven's intelligent sensing capability uses artificial intelligence, hyperspectral imaging, and light detection and ranging (LiDAR) to enable operators to see up to 5 times farther and clearer than traditional optical imaging. The system increases aircraft survivability and gives the warfighter decision advantage over peer threats. Raiven is a modular, open system that builds upon the company's multispectral targeting system family of sensors for long-range surveillance, target acquisition, tracking, range finding, and laser designation. Paired with AI, the Raiven electro-optical intelligence sensing technology synthesizes reams of data into a detailed picture of the battle space and the threats within it. The AI automatically detects and identifies the threats, delivering a level of automation for the operator to choose what decisions need to be made, providing a critical capability while drastically reducing operator workload. In addition, Raiven provides more automation for the operator to choose what decisions need to be made. Raiven provides more mission versatility and capability than ever before, all within the same size, weight, and power specifications. RT-1000, the first version of Raiven, can support a wide array of missions, including the U.S. Army's future vertical lift modernization effort, with the first flight test being conducted in 2024.